In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create linked views in Notion. Linked views let you bring the same database into multiple pages, each with its own layout, filters, and sorting without duplicating your data. It's perfect for keeping a single source of truth while tailoring what you see to the context of a specific page. Start on the Notion page where you want the view to appear. Click on an empty line to create a fresh block, then type a / and the word linked. You'll see a quick menu appear as you type. This / command is the fastest way to insert special blocks in Notion, and it helps you jump directly to the right tool. From that menu, choose Linked View of Database. This tells Notion you want a window into an existing database rather than a brand new one. Think of it as placing a lens on your master database so you can control how it looks here without changing how it appears elsewhere. Next, Notion will prompt you to pick the source database. Use the search field to find your master database by name and select it. As soon as you do, Notion will drop a copy of that database into your page. But remember, it's a live link. Any edits you make to rows or properties here will update the original database, which is exactly what keeps everything in sync. You'll then be asked to select a view or create a new one. If the master database already has a great view, you can duplicate it to keep consistent settings. Or start fresh and choose a layout like board for Kanban-style stages, list for a simple, compact read, calendar for date-based planning, gallery for visual cards, or timeline for scheduling across a span of time. Pick the format that best matches the way you plan to use this page. Once your view is in place, click the three-dot menu in the top right of the database block, or use the View tabs to customize it. Apply filters to narrow your focus. For example, only show items assigned to you, or tasks with a status of in progress. Add sorts to control the order, such as sorting by due date or priority. These changes affect only this linked views presentation, not the structure of the master database, so you can confidently fine-tune what you see without disrupting other pages. And that's it. You've created a flexible, focused window into your data right where you need it. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.